you like to cook?
No.
Do you like to exercise? What do you like to do for fun?
Okay, I'm ready. Hey guys, it's Sandy from Shape Up Sandi. Thank you for watching last week. That was amazing. This is episode 2. Welcome back. How exciting is this? Last week, we saw a really recent episode, actually, and now we're going to go back in time, about 2 years ago. So in this episode, I try out aerial yoga. I'm scared of heights, so I was really kind of intimidated about this, and honestly, I didn't think I'd be able to do anything, but it was better than I thought. But I don't want to spoil it, so take a look and then we'll talk about it after. This could be something that's either really fun and I love, or this could be something that I'm going to break my tail, literally. So we'll see how it goes. This is Timuz Dubnov, and he's going to be showing me what to do with these silks and stuff.
So here we have a hammock, and we basically kind of integrate aerial moves with yoga moves to extenuate our movement and warm the body up in a deeper, more meaningful way than you can either on the floor or just up in the air.
Cool, so let's check this out. All right, let me see if I can't figure this out for myself here.
You can stand up.
Am I doing this right?
Yeah, perfect.
All right, maybe we should get some advice from the professional and learn how to do it for real.
We're gonna start with the fabric right behind us.
Right behind us, okay.
You're gonna hold it down by your hips.
Hold it by my hips.
Now you're gonna sit back, lean into the fabric, and spread your legs apart.
Yeah! Oh my God, I did it!
Yeah.
I did it! Oh.
And the floor's gonna be right underneath you. Yeah.
As he does. I have a feeling that I don't.
From there's other tricks that we're not going to do today.
No?
You can take it back. Arch back.
Wow.
Grabbing your legs. But that's for next.
Yeah.
Well, there's the one we're doing before, where you just looking up. So you just wrap in the fabric in one leg.
What a show off. I'm just kidding. I love him. Isn't he amazing? Look how comfortable he looks doing this. Like he's been doing it his whole life.
8 years.
8 years. That's it?
A long time.
Wow.
Then there's like some muscle tricks. Just hold yourself up with your arms. You can do some with your legs.
Wow.
And then there's other fun tricks that I thought we would try.
Okay.
We're actually gonna come down.
Okay. I did it.
We're gonna take the fabric around us.
Okay. Yeah.
We're gonna take it up.
Take it up.
Like you were throwing a baseball.
You seem to think I'm a sportsy person. Like I know what that would be.
One.
2, 3. Woo! Ah! Oh my God, I did it! Okay, he spotted me, but I did it.
No, that totally counts.
It's pretty intimidating to be up in the air, which I was really scared of because I'm scared of heights, and I thought that I was gonna fall a lot more than I actually did, and honestly, I didn't think I'd be able to do anything. It was better than I thought.
Trust fall.
It's a trust fall. That's a lot of trust. Okay.
Ready?
Here goes. I didn't fall. I made it.
Yeah, that's a fun trick.
That is fun. Good night, guys. Just for a second here, while I catch my breath, tell me about the benefits of this style of yoga. I mean, besides being, kind of more fun than like just stand in a pose and like.
So we don't have any of that kind of stuff?
Yeah, okay, good.
And also you get like a full body workout, right? So in yoga, since it's a lot about legs and standing and you're on the ground all the time, there's a different kind of upper body workout that you get through aerial yoga. You also get like much deeper stretches, right? So if I want to do my splits, let's say I was very flexible and I could do my over splits.
Yeah, let's say.
Take my leg and I can really shoot it out.
Oh.
Right? So underground you're kind of limited either by the ground or by blocks, and this kind of gives you a lot more mobility and freedom to really stretch all your body parts in a way that's just much more difficult underground. So
this isn't really something that somebody could do on their own. I mean, you really need to come to an aerial yoga studio.
Yeah, so this is something that's much more like a class in a group kind of workout.
Yeah.
You actually have a teacher up front, everybody follows along, and of course he or she goes around and corrects you and helps you out. And it is a lot like yoga in the sense that there's a yoga flow to it.
Uh-huh.
It just
I've actually never done yoga, so somebody like me, who's obviously not exactly in the world's best shape yet, you know, how long do you think it would take me before I wouldn't need you to spot me to do these flippy things?
Next class.
Really?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Depends, not do like, let's flip like this.
Yeah, no.
Just like the forward roll.
The forward roll, yeah. That's pretty cool. So 2 classes, you could feel like you accomplished something and you made progress.
Yeah, your first class, you'll probably be able to do everything, maybe with a little bit of teacher's help.
And how sore am I going to be? So that was aerial yoga. What'd you guys think? You know, I have to say, it was one of my favorite episodes. It was one of my favorite activities. And I actually did buy a membership, although I have to admit I haven't actually activated and used it. So I'm going to have to fix that because I really did enjoy it. And, you know, at that point in my life, I wasn't laughing a whole lot. And it felt so good. Even though I was laughing at myself, like it was real belly laughs. And I was sore the next day. I mean, I was really sore the next day and probably for 2 days. So, you know what? Now that I'm watching this again, I think that it's time for me to go back and activate that membership because I really did enjoy that. I think aerial yoga was probably one of my very favorite activities of all of the ones we did. It's definitely something that I want to revisit, and I totally recommend that you guys try it out too. Tamuz Dubna from Aerial Revolution. I thought that I was going to fall more. I thought that it was going to be harder. I mean, I'm definitely like sweating. Yeah, it was fun. That's our video. Make sure that if you like this video, you hit the like button, give me some love. Leave me a comment. What other episodes do you want to see? I'm still shooting. So, you know, we're putting out something every week. I'd love to see what you want to know. Give me your feedback. What did you think about this episode? And especially come to my Facebook group, Shape Up Sandi, so you can share your journey with me because I'm really interested in what you're doing to get out of your comfort zone and to pull yourself out of your rut and to change your life. Come and join me. Until next time, just go out and try something new. Whatever it is, just go try something. Mwah! I'll see you next week. Next week, we're going to talk about overcoming depression with Dr. Samantha Mattising. It's a great episode on a really important topic, and I hope you tune in. See you next week.